Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Tello Unboxing Setup Flight Review. We'll have that coming right up. Before we get into things, want to thank my good friend and subscriber from the UK, Ian Jones, for the Tello. When we met last weekend, we had a wonderful time meeting, both he, his wife, and daughter. Enjoyed some great conversations over some dessert over near Orlando, Florida. And Ian gave a gift to the channel of a Tello. So Ian, thank you so much. We appreciate that here. We appreciate you. And I thank you so much for your contributions and your support of the channel as always. The best way to support the channel is to like, comment, subscribe, and tell others about us. But anything on top of that is a bonus. So Ian, thank you so much. We appreciate it here. So we're just going to dive right into this. We're going to do the unboxing, we're going to do the setup, and we're going to do a flight review. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing of the Tello. And what you get with the Tello, you get the instruction manual here. You get the battery, extra propellers, and a tool to be able to take them on and off. Of course, you get the Tello here. And the box that it comes in. That is the unboxing of the Tello by Ryze. Okay, that was the unboxing. Let's get to the setup. Okay, we're going to go through the setup of the Tello. One of the things that you do need to do is you do need to download the Tello app to your iOS or Android device. The other things that you need to do, this is the battery. And the battery goes in the back of the Tello like this. So you hear it click. Okay, it is in there. And then you need to supply your own USB cable. I have one here that Ian actually gave me, which was very nice. And on the side of the aircraft, you plug it in here. And then we're going to go ahead and conveniently use this charging brick from DJI here. And you can tell, and I'm going to show you, there is a blue light on the front, and it's indicating that it's charging. So the Tello is on its way to its first flight. Okay, we had the unboxing and setup. Let's take a look at the flight, see how that went. Okay, there's a Tello. We got it up here. Let's take it up a little more. Do a little trip here. I'll come back. Altitude. Have it come the other way. Okay. Record a little video here. Up a little bit. I'll come back. Face towards us. This is flying pretty well. Pretty impressed. Go ahead and bring it down here. Go ahead and land. Okay, it's our first flight with the Tello. We're going to take off again here. Pretty impressive, taking off from inside the grass there. I was very impressed with that. I'm going to change the flight speed to fast now. We're going to take a look and see how that goes. Okay, that is pretty fast. That is doing pretty good. It's going to back towards us. That's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with that. Okay, we're going to do some modes here. We're going to do bounce right now. And Tello's going to bounce up and down. Okay. I'm going to do 360. And Tello's going to do a 360. It flips on that. That's pretty interesting. I like that. Handling a little bit of a wind pretty good too. I'm pretty impressed with that. Do an up and away, which I believe is the equivalent of selfie here, so let's go ahead and do that. High wind velocity, cannot enter this mode. Now let me try a circle. High wind velocity, cannot enter this mode. Okay, we got high wind, so you can't do that. So, let's try a couple more flips here. Let's see if we can do that. And it's telling me same thing with it, high wind velocity. So it's like we got some high wind here. Alright, let's go ahead. Yeah, you can tell with the video, it's kind of doing a bounce. Let's put it up a little bit here. Get it back down. So we're going to go ahead and land. Okay, and that is it for the DJI Tello. We took it outside, put it through its paces, and I'm very impressed with how well it did on, had some wind out here. So, all in all, great experience. All in all, for $99, it really does pack an awful lot of features. I was very impressed with this. I'm very impressed with its ability, even in the wind, to be able to do some holds. Now, you did see that I did have some concerns and some issues when I tried to do some of the features like the circle and the 360. When it's too windy, it won't do those. But otherwise, I am just very impressed with this drone. It is a great piece of technology for $99, and it was something I would highly recommend to somebody for a first drone. The app itself, using it, I used it on my iPad. It is fantastic. I was very impressed. It was very responsive. It was very easy to use. So you do not need to go out and buy a controller for this. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates there as well, and also Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!